Hi guys. So we have this question, mean of range in array. So what we have to do basically in this question, let's read the question first. Given an integer array ARR and a 2D array queries. Each queries I, L, comma J, L, comma R represent a subarray ranging from index L to R inclusive. For every query, compute the mean of the elements in the specified range and return the floor value of that mean. And if we see the first example over there, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 0, 2, and this is the first example. So now let me explain this question first. So we will take the first example over here where ARR is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, right? And what is queries 0, 2, 1, 3 queries is. And 0, 2, 1, 3, 0, 4. It is 0 and 4. Right? So this is a 1D array over here and this is the 2D array over here. We can see that. What the question is saying that this is the index, like this is L and this is R. And what we have to do over here from 0 to 2. Over here, what is 0? 1 is 0. 1, 2, 3 is index. 0 to 2, we have to find out the mean. What is mean now? Sum of number upon total number. So here sum of 1 plus 2 plus 3, 5, 6, and total is 3. So it will be becoming 2. Now for next, L will be 1 over here and R will be 3. So now 1 is 0, 1 and 0, 1, 2, 3. So from this, from 2 to 4, we have to calculate the sum. So now our mean will be becoming 2 plus 3 plus 4 by 3. So it would be 9 by 3, which is 3. For now, the next 0, comma 4, 5 will be 4. Everything will be added over here. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 by 5, which would be 10, 15 by 5 with 3. And we are getting is 2 comma 3 comma 3. That should be your output. Let's see, 2 comma 3 comma 3 is your output. So this is basically the question saying over here. So one thing we have to see that we have to return an array list of integers. So we have to create an array list of integer over here. So, and we have to traverse in a 2D array. 2D array we have to traverse and take out the sum mean from 1D array. I will now explain you the second example also. It will become easy for you to understand. So it is ARR and queries. Queries is let me check the values. 0, comma 3, 1, comma 2. 0, comma 3, 1, comma 2. So these are basically the index position of this array. So 0 will be, now let's do the indexing 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay. So mean of this we will be taking out. Mean And mean, I think you have learned from childhood, so it would not be a big issue for you to understanding what is mean. Over here, we have to find out the intuition to solve this question. So 0, comma 3 is 6 plus 7 plus 8 plus 10 by 4. And as you can see, this is inclusive. So we will be including 6 also and 10 also. As mentioned in question, you can read the question once again. So 13 mean of this and mean of 1 comma 2. 7 plus 8 by 2. You will calculate it and we will be taking the floor value over here. So it would be 31 by 4, which is the floor value will be 7, and this is 15 by 2, it is 7, 7, so the floor value will be 7. And here, as you can see that 7 comma 7 is the output coming. And if we check over there, 7 comma 7. So you got the question. These are the constraint. Reads the constraint before solving any question. It would be easy for you. Now, on this intuition, how we can solve the question. So what I can do is, first I will be making an array list of integer. Obviously, mean will be taking out integer, and it I will name as li is equal to new array list. Okay. Then what would be I will be doing in so for iterating in 2D array, as we all know, we will be running from for int I is equal to 0, I is less than queries dot length and I plus plus. For start index of which is L, I will be taking int L is equal to queries of I of 0. This will be my start index. I think R was there for end index queries of I comma I and 1. It is end index I will be doing. Now I would be taking for a count. So to count the total number of element, uh, in particular LNR range. LNR range I will taking count and sum is equal to 0. Pretty simple. Then what I will be doing, now I will be doing the traversal from where L to R. This is the main thing over here. L to R, I will be doing the traversal. This is the basic dry run, or not the dry run, basic pseudo code I am telling you, and then we will be later on this doing the coding of this question. Uh, for now, will be int j. Why int j? Because int I we have already used over here. Inside, if we do, it will be giving us an error. So int j is equal to from L, and where it will be going equal to R j plus plus. Why is equal to I have added? Because in the question it is saying L and R are inclusive. If they were not inclusive, here this equal to I have not come. But as they have said, so what will be the sum? Sum is equal to sum plus ARR of J means, or sum plus is equal to ARR of J. So means that all the Like if in one is coming here, 1 plus 2 and all that, it will be doing the sum. And count I will increase by 1, count plus plus. I would come outside the loop and I would use the mean formula over here, which I have told you earlier. Mean is equal to sum by count. Perfect. And I will then be adding just inside this list li dot add what I will be add mean. And then what I will be doing, I will be just returning the list. Okay. So let's now, this was the intuition of this question. If you want, I can just tell you all the steps, what I'm doing over here. So first I've created an array list where I will be storing all the mean values and returning it. Then I've taken a for loop for traversal in the 2D array, which will be going from 0 to the queries.length. For the start index, they have which is L. I've taken queries of I and 0, and from the for the end index, I've taken R, which is queries of I and 1. Now I've taken uh, count and sum. Uh, why sum is equal to 0 and count, so that it does not have any garbage value. If I've taken in count comma semicolon in sum, any garbage value can be there. Then I'm simply traversing from L to R. That is means that I'm traversing the index position from L to R. And I'm all the values which are coming in this loop, I'm adding in the sum, and count I'm increasing by, like if there are three values, the count will be three over here. Between L and R, if there are two values, the count will be two over here. And just I'm coming outside the loop and I'm taking the mean as the sum by count, and I'm adding the list and I'm just returning. Now we will do the code of this question. Uh, just a second. So I won't do any different things over here. Just the pseudo code which I've wrote there, I will just type it and explain you step by step. Array list, integer, li is equal to now the traversal into the array less than I plus queries of int r is. Now I will be taking int count is equal to 0, int sum is equal to 0. Now I will be doing traversal from L to R for int j is equal to 0. J is equal to L. J is less than equal to R. J plus plus sum plus is equal to ARR. J count plus plus. I will now come outside the loop. Mean is equal to sum by count. Li dot add Oh, I'm not taking the input of me. Sorry. So basically, our only three test cases are left because there is a concept in prefix sum 2D, and I will explain you in some other date. For today, this was from my side, and I hope you understand. Basically, you understand the logic of this question. So that was the main motive to record this video, and thank you everyone.